Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial. So for today's session, what I will be doing is I'll be launching a retargeting ad using the event um, ad that we launched previously that has been completed. So we'll be using this beauty and airbrush makeup class. So our main target here is to retarget people who engage with the Facebook page of Permanent Makeup Academy PH. So, so since this has been completed, what we'll be doing here is to duplicate the ad, and then since we don't want, I want people to send a direct response or a direct message to the page. So the objective should be messages, and then I'll leave the budget as it is because this has been the set budget set by Christine Lucas before. So, and of course, I'll be changing the campaign name, page engagement, and then publish. All right, so this has been in review. So what I'll do here is to tweak the ad a bit. So, so from here, we'll target everything from this section, from this location, and then create new custom audience, and then select the Facebook page. So I want to select the people who engage with the page for the past 90 days. And then, okay, so I'll be using everyone who engaged with the page. Um, and then I'll be naming the audience, page engagement, 90 days. Okay. And then let me see if I can create um, a lookalike audience. Let me see if I can do it. No, it's too small. Okay, so we're not gonna do it. And then I'll leave it as it is. So let's just put English. Then I'll do it like 55. And then this was a previous targeting set by Christine. So I'll just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to publish it now. Then let me take a look at the creative. Oops, I forgot to. So this is a simple retargeting that I will be doing. To make okay, I want to have some headline here. Airbrush makeup class. Okay. Send us. Of course, the description is optional, but you have to. I mean, for me, I feel like putting this. No, inquire now. So that's how I'll leave it as it is because Christine knows what to do. If someone will send a message. So technically, I usually do like, small text, but since this is an event in the past, so I'll just leave it as it is. And then I'll be creating another set of retargeting later using, um, I'll start from scratch. So I'll just have my own way. So for now, just do this because this is the one that was previously launched by Christine. So I have to do another set later. And I'm good with this. And then I'm going to publish it. Okay, I need to have one last look on the targeting. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I'll be retargeting video views as well. So technically, to I want the people who interacted on these videos to be retargeted too. So that's why I'm including them. So it's 10 seconds, 3 seconds and 10 seconds. VV is video views. And then I want to target the 25%. Sorry. 25, the true plays as well. So let me see if I can add more. 25% and then 50%. Since we're working on a limited budget, so I'm trying to squeeze in everything that I can do for the videos. Okay, we're almost done here and we're good to go. So this is actually the first ad set that I will be doing using the previously created and launched ad. So I'll have my other style later on. So I'll be creating another set of video for the video that I will be creating from scratch to retarget people who engage in the page and the people who watched the video for the past 90 days. Okay, so I already have them here. Good to go. Yeah, we have respondents of people who are 60. So I'll link your set there. And then I'll put automatic placements because some of the people engage with the audience network in the past. Some would um, could be from other third parties. So I'm using automatic placement now. So I'm already good with this. So I think I'm good. So I'm waiting now for Facebook to approve this ad, and then we're good to go. So this is my first ad set, and then later on I'll be creating three sets of ads for the second ad set that I will be creating. So hope you learned something today in terms of retargeting, and kindly stay tuned for some of the videos that I will be making in terms of digital marketing and some more tutorials in the upcoming days on how you will launch your email marketing um, using through Shopify um, and other platforms, so such as Klaviyo and Mailchimp. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my video, to my YouTube channel, so please do click subscribe. And thank you for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.